doze up. Stupid nigga brought his bitch around, she done chose up. How you pull the Glock, but you froze up. Try to check the time on my watch, but it's froze up. Boring ass niggas need to switch they flows up. This is Smith & Wesson FPC, that mean it folds up. Bro love to walk down, he get close up. These bitches love to come around cause I done glowed up.
Fucking hate this car.
Yo, what's up guys? We're back with the white 10th gen, the Honda Accord. It's Alex's car. That's the guy right there. But we got some parts. We got some 4-inch springs, some 5-inch springs. We're gonna play around, see which ones go where, and see where they look best and work best. He's got the 5-inch in the car. Got some rear toe arms that we're gonna throw on. Are these Godspeed?
Godspeed. Yeah.
Godspeed. So we tried to order the True Heart ones to match the coilovers, and they were out of stock. So we got these ones. They'll fit nice. Gonna have to give it a crazy eyeball alignment because I know he's gonna drive on it for a week. Next, we got these ball joint plates, which should give up to like -9 in the front, especially with the top hats he already has. And yeah, but since he's going so crazy out in Camber, he's gonna need the extended tie rods. These are from Low Life Projects. Extended tie rods, they'll work good. Yeah, so let's get to tearing this thing apart.
Ready for the next vision of it. Ready for the next vision.
See if we can finally fit the wheels with some tilt. You can see that it's already pretty tilted in the front on the stocks, and the Emotion started to fit with the top hats and everything else we did, but when we get all these springs swapped out, he should be a lot lower and have a lot more camber to hopefully fit the wheels front and back. We'll see. But yeah, let's get to tearing this thing up, putting it up in the air, tearing it apart, and get to it. So yeah. All right, so we're starting on the front. I think I'm gonna get the strut kind of taken out, and I'm gonna start on these guys right here so we can start loosening these and swap out the tie rods, the ball joint extensions, and then swap out the spring. I kind of wanna, I don't know how this is gonna come out, but I'm hoping we can just take this out of here and then screw all of it out from the bottom, just so we don't have to take out the top. We might have to take out the top, but who knows, we'll see. All right, so far I got the tie rod dropped. It's the 18 or 19 millimeter right there. I got the sway bar end link bolt out. It's still not out, I gotta pull that, but yeah. So then I get the strut out next. This will all drop and should be pretty good. But gotta swap this one out. Comes off pretty smooth. Thanks, Alex, even though he's driven a whole winter, which is kind of crazy, and like several. But I think it's about time for some new ball joints. These were a little crunchy anyways, but yeah. He's got those out. I think we're gonna put the 4-inch in the back, 5-inch in the front, and see where we get. So these are the tie rods, the passenger side, whatever, they're both the same. This is the stock one, as you can see. It's pretty cooked. Yeah, and then here's the new one. You can I kind of have them lined up as best as I can. You can tell the extension right there. It's really like an inch maybe. No, that's like a 1/4 inch. And then right there is like a 1/4 inch difference. But that'll do.
That's scary.
This is what one winter of driving looks like. Holy smokes, man. Like, oh, I just loosened the spring. It was tight, but rods. The rods falling out of there. Like that. We got the spring swapped. Got the old 5-inch 34K in there, so that'll be doing pretty good. It's as max as it can go, so we'll see how that goes for us. But yeah, it should be pretty good. Just gotta bolt all that back up, straight bar end link, and then bolt the outer back up, and then give it an eyeball and send it this way. Actually, I'm gonna bolt all this up and then do the lower. So I got the lower off. This is still not connected, the tie rod. I got the 3 bolts that disconnect this. So then now I'm gonna add this plate on, and I'm kind of doing some research to see how it goes, but it should go something like that, and then just go on that guy like that with some new bolts. But yeah. All right, so after reaching out to some people, this is how you do it. So you're gonna put the ball joint spacer on top. Put the spacers in between. Bolts on the bottom, longer bolts, because there's long and short ones. So the longer ones on the top, and then you're just gonna tighten those down with the spacers in the middle. And then on this side, those spacers are gonna go in between this and then this. So it's gonna sit even higher. So we're gonna have to push this down and then put it up there.
Give him a last little ugga-dugga. Last little good and tight. To spec, man. These are to spec.
Torque to spec.
Nice.
18 by 10.5 plus 12.
They don't fit.
They are still poking just a hair. He got the rear tow arm out. Yeah. So this is what it replaces. Now it's adjustable. I think it's like a toe and caster or something. I don't know what it is, but it's that lower arm right there. And yeah, because then the top one up there is the camber arm. This one right here, camber arm, and then this is the toe, I think. And then this is another toe. I don't know. But he got this off, 2 bolts, 2 17 millimeters. Just like that, new toe arm in. All bolts up perfectly. This side, the long, like ended sign goes on the inside of the car. And this goes right here. So fits up nice. Should have a lot of adjustment, should be good. Yeah, hopefully we can throw those 4 inches in and fit the works in the back. Just now finishing the driver's side. It's starting to rain, so hopefully it holds up a second. But
I fucking hate this car.
we getting this bolt back in, got the 4-inch springs in. This sway bar bolt back there sucks. This bolt sucks. Got the new toe on this side.
The easiest thing probably.
Toe bolts were easy on this side, except the gas tank's in the way, so you just gotta be careful of that. But
yeah, don't
not bad. You got the ratchet stuck, so that was the thing. We had to cut a hole in the gas tank.
Yeah.
We had to cut a hole in the gas tank to get the ratchet out. Yeah, so this is how the front's going. Pretty much got it all taken apart. Got the new outers on, new springs on the front. Yeah, just got to do the lowers and then put it all back together. So making good progress. Should be done soon, and maybe go test drive it. Dang, the toe kind of look off, but I think his steering wheel is actually turned a little bit too. But yeah, a little higher on this side, but maybe I'll adjust that side so we can turn for right now. But that's how it's looking. We got the extenders, and then you said what?
I was saying, the toe is that bad? Are we gonna fix it tonight?
Maybe. And there's the extended tire rods. Just like that, front is tilted, and it's actually sitting so good. I can't lie, dude. It's sitting good.
It's like insane.
The toe needs to be dialed in more, but I think he's gonna get an alignment. He's got lifetime alignment, so
Yes.
he'll go do that.
Get that one this week.
I eyeballed it, so he'll drive there. One time I eyeballed this thing, and they said it was almost perfect. Do you remember that? Oh no? I got an alignment sheet, and I drove it the first time I got an alignment. They're like, dude, you almost got this like spot on. His back is dumped. Let's go check that out real quick. That's the 4-inch for you. Floored. We'll have him get some clips tomorrow in the daytime or something. But
Yeah, the exhaust is.
all right, my phone broke, but we're back on this one. That thing is floored. The front is still in the air kind of, but as you can tell, that thing is sitting nice. So he's gonna back it off the ramps right now, and yeah. How's the turning look? Woo! Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, screw it, turn. Oh wow. All right, turn back. Wow. That's called fitment. That's called fitment. Turn. All right. Bro, if you buckle these things, you work at a salvage yard.
Do I go this way?
Do you not know how to steer?
I don't.
Go forward and turn left. Yeah.
There you go.
And then go back straight. Go back straight. And then do it again.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. Turn a little more.
You're telling me I can't turn that much?
Oh wait, no, you're good.
I'm good? Holy shit, I'm scared. No way. Fucking god, bro. Yeah, it'll clear.
It'll clear.
Hopefully.
Dang.
Dude, it looks so crazy.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?